Imagine having $400 million in the bank, jets waiting on standby, and a 24-karat gold bathtub at home. For these three superstars, this is not a dream. They are living this every day. However, there is an underside to these super rich people that nobody talks about. How do you go from being the baddest man on the planet to being $23 million in debt? How do you go from having a $2 billion empire to losing it all in 24 hours? From Mike Tyson's pet tigers to Kanye West's billion-dollar breakup to the gold-plated gates of MC Hammer's mansion, these are the most expensive mistakes in history. Today, we're going to break down the biggest three financial flops of all time, where the money went, what went wrong in their circle, and most importantly, the one thing you can learn to stay in ghost mode, protecting yourself financially throughout the rest of your life. So, let's get to it. In the 90s, Tyson was the baddest man on the planet and the highest paid man on Earth. He made more than $400 million in his career, which, adjusted for inflation, is closer to $700 million. However, though he was unbeatable in the ring, Tyson was powerless against his own spending habits. He wasn't just buying real estate, he was buying estates, $6 million worth of luxury cars, and even a $2 million solid gold bathtub. But the daily drain was the real killer. He was spending $400,000 per month to simply live life, including spending $8,000 per year to feed his pet tigers. By 2003, Tyson hit rock bottom with $23 million worth of debt. It's a lesson we all need to remember. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. A billion-dollar empire can fall apart in less than a day, as Kanye West demonstrated. Ye's enormous partnership with Adidas contributed significantly to his $2 billion net worth in 2022. However, the brand discontinued operations following a string of contentious remarks. Losing that partnership not only hurt his feelings because his wealth was dependent on his reputation, but it also instantly erased $1.5 billion from his net worth. By dusk, Forbes had stripped him of his billionaire status. The lesson for 2026 is obvious. Your brand is both your greatest asset and your greatest risk. People stop purchasing the brand when they no longer believe in the man. At the height of You Can't Touch This, MC Hammer was worth $70 million. He spent it all on a 40,000 square foot mansion with gold gates and a pool in the shape of his trademark pants. But Hammer's first mistake wasn't the mansion. It was his employees. He also kept over 200 people on the payroll, friends and family, and it cost him $500,000 every single month. But when the hits stop coming, the costs don't. Within 5 years, he is $13 million in debt and is forced to sell his dream home for a fraction of what he paid for it. He learned the hard way that the circle of 200 friends can disappear a lot faster than a $70 million fortune. Success is easy to find, but even easier to lose. Is it Mike Tyson's spending, Kanye's reputation, Hammer's entourage? Whatever it is, stay in ghost mode. If you want more deep dives into wealth and more lessons from the top 1%, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.